Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I invite you to crochet a very interesting project with beads. This is my own pattern. For work I will use a ball of yarn, crochet hook 2 millimeters, and beads. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial, so please visit it and let's get started. So let's stop at this point. And now I will tell you what I need to do if your hook so big for your hole in the bead. So let's take a look at my bead. If you see that your hook is too big for your working bead, you just need to change a crochet hook for a smaller one. I take another hook and now I insert the hook into the hole in the working bead. So in some cases you just need to have 2 crochet hooks for your work. So take a bead, put it on the hook, and take the working loop, pull it through, and that's it. And change the hook back, and you should continue working as usually in this case. Let's begin the work. To start the motif from the chain, continue, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, like this. Take the working loop, pull it through, pull a little bit, make a chain with bead, then make a chain space for this chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you would like to take bigger bead, so you need to crochet more chains in the chain space. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. Make chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that I did with bead. Here how it looks. Make a slip stitch. The base for the heart is ready. Then I continue working on my heart. It is going to be a round of the stitches. Let's crochet single crochet. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space. And also I'm working with thread that is on the back side. So you should work with this thread to remove this yarn. I will do this to remove the yarn. Make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. I have done 6 single crochet into the chain space. Insert the hook into the slip stitch and make a slip stitch one more time. Work into the chain space. You can remove this yarn, and while making single crochet I take this yarn along the stitches. Make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's look at the back side. So as you can see, all threads are not visible. Now insert the hook into the chain stitch that I did on the beginning. Make a slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's crochet the next round of the heart. For this, make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make 2 treble crochet. Make the first one and make the second one into the same stitch. Well done. Make treble crochet through the next stitch and double crochet into the same stitch. Make double crochet through the next stitch and half double crochet through the same stitch. Then make half double crochet and single crochet into the same stitch. Make single crochet through the next stitch. Make half double crochet through the next stitch. I have done the half of my motif. There is the stitch. It was a slip stitch. Make 3 double crochet into this stitch of the, and one of them will be with picot. 1, make double crochet. 2, insert the hook into the loop. 2 and make a picot. Make chain of 3 for the picot. Work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the double crochet. My picot is ready, and double crochet into the same loop. Let's stop and look. So as you can see, my half is done. Now I am working on the opposite side. I repeat the same as I did here. So let's continue with me. Make half double crochet through the next stitch, then single crochet through the next stitch, then single crochet through the next stitch and half double crochet through the same stitch. Make half double crochet through the next stitch and double crochet into the same stitch. Make double crochet and treble crochet into the same stitch. Make 2 treble crochet through the next stitch 1 and 2. Make chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. I insert the hook like this. I insert the hook into 2 loops. Make a slip stitch. So my heart is ready. My heart consists of only 2 rounds. This is the back side. So as you can see, this is a double-sided motif. You can stop at this stage. You can use it like a separate motif, or it could be a part of big project. Also, it could be decoration for big one. Also, you can create accessories for hair or a brush. All additional information about the tools that I used in the video could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please look at it. To get more video tutorials, please visit different playlists that you can find on my YouTube channel. It depends on your imagination what you would like to get, so you can use it differently. And I continue working, and I just need to do my hanger for this heart. Now I need to do the chain. Let's crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. You can crochet more or less. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through. You can't join a bead, so you just need to do some more chains. Make a chain with bead. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. 8, 9, 10. Insert the hook into the chain with bead and make a slip stitch. So my small round is ready, and you can cut off the yarn at this point. So it could be perfect to create earring in this case, or a keychain. So that's it, my project is ready. After I cut off the yarn, insert the hook into the hole of the bead. Take the working yarn, pull it through the bead like this. And you can cut off the yarn here. So here how they look like at this point. This is my own pattern. I created it recently for Valentine's Day or another special event. My heart consists of only 2 rounds. One of them is single crochet and another one is different toe stitches. And of course, in this video you saw how to join beads to this project. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. And I remind you, all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. For this one I used a ball of yarn and the crochet hook and beads. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye!